Hi everyone, Ken Brown from CCIM here, and welcome to our video on purchasing CE credits and printing CE certificates. In order for you to obtain and print off a CE certificate, you must have your professional license information on your MyAccount profile. To add a CE license, navigate to ccim.com, then log in and hit My Account in the top right-hand corner. Once you're on your profile, select Professional Licenses on the left side of the screen. Here, you can enter in a unique name for the license type, license number, the state the license belongs to, and the expiration date. When purchasing a course, if the course is approved for CE credit, you'll have the option of purchasing CE. The credit must be purchased at the time of course purchase. Once you've passed the course, the CE certificate will appear on your MyAccount portal under CE credits. You can print the certificate under the Print PDF column on the right side. Thanks for watching our video for purchasing CE credit. If you have any questions, please reach out to cecredit@ccim.com.